Yes, finding the right property in Lagos is like driving in the street of Lagos, because you have to look through your side mirror, you have to look through your inside rear view mirror, and also you have to make use of your own bump left and right. At the same time, someone might see about you, but nevertheless, if you have to look a mix of mirrors well and also observe well and open your eye and observe well, definitely going to make a right choice. Therefore, I think with the view of the property, you have been able to see your road network to your place. Let's dive in and have a look of this wonderful piece that you are going to call your home. Just reach out to the contact attached on the video for your more details. Thank you and stay tuned.